Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Adrenal lesions. So first is the adrenal adenoma. So this is very common. So it is common. It is a fat containing. As well as in case of the NCCT, it is with a delay scan. There is a delay scan. And it is taken after the 15 minutes. It's taken after 15 minutes to look for a washout, and it shows the early wash in, and the washout of the contrast. Next is when you look at the pheochromocytoma. This is it has a light bulb appearance. Another light bulb appearance was seen in the hip dislocation. So this light bulb appearance is on the T2, W and the MRI. Next is for extra adrenal. That is the investigation of the MIBG. MIBG is nothing but the meta-iodobenzyl guanide scan, and the DOPA PET. DOPA PET can be done. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.